back again with another video on our Detroit Club Style Ballroom 101, or Urban Ballroom as I like to call it. So Urban Ballroom 101. These are some of the concepts to make your dance better. And today we want to talk about, and we want to focus on the count in the music and bouncing. And what we're talking about, we're like, what's the count? What are you talking about? When we're dancing, my favorite count is 1, 2, 3 left, 1, 2, 3 right. Now, when we say that, it's just not something we're just randomly saying out loud. We're supposed to be saying that to the music. So what that means is you got to be able to find the beat. And after you find the beat, I'm trying to find myself a good song. And so let's see which one's the one I like to do. I think this is the one I like to use now. So, because you can hear it. So when we're counting, the count, because that's what makes the dance look good when we're actually dancing to the count. I'm counting 1, 2, 3 left, 1, 2, 3 right, 1, 2, 3 left, 1, 2, ballroom, 1, 2, 3 left, 1, 2, 3 right. One more time, 1, 2, 3 left, 1, 2, 3 right. Send them out. Pass by. Trouble turn. Let's pass by. Turn. That was also called a free spin. Turn. Pass under. Full turn. Pass by. Front turn. Left. 1, 2, 3 right. 1, 2, 3 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 left. 1, 2, 3 right. Now, as we're listening to this music, they're counting the music. Now, we jamming. Now, some days we wanna have the habit going on. It's a jam. We here. We getting into it. Woo! We're like, ooh. As we go, we wanna eliminate the bouncing. Now, but this was like Jay-Z's bounce with me. Maybe we should be bouncing. But one more time, beat is smooth. 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 What that means is we don't bounce. We should look like we're gliding on skates almost. Skates. As we're sliding across the floor, getting our glide on. Hip spin. Pass under. Drop turn. It's smooth. Almost like we're on roller skates. But we got wheels for feet. But we want to be smooth with it. We want to bounce as little bit as possible. So we want to keep it down. So as we listening, now my snapping is bad, so I'm going to let them do the snapping. Because one of the most important concepts in any dance, the follower, it's their feet that are important. Their feet determine what dance we're doing. Because as a leader, some days I'm standing still. So you see, I'm basically standing still. My feet aren't moving, so you ain't counting my feet. So you're counting the follower's feet. And the follower's feet, that they count what they're doing, lets you know what dance it is. saying, hey, you're not really with it. So it took me some time to practice it. It just didn't come overnight. So if you actually see me someplace, yes, I count all the time because me and the music are not friends. We even been to somebody who actually explained to us that we actually hear the music at 2 different paces. The thing that's most important that you understand is that the follower is the timekeeper in the dance. So whatever they're doing is their job. So if we're not with the beat, it's the follower's fault. If you ain't leading, it's the leader's fault.
It's always their fault.
You know, so the rule is if you stop moving, follower's fault. The move look bad, leader's fault. The timing's off, probably the follower's fault. Because their job put on the brakes or speed it up with the beat. Because like I said, a lot of times we sit here focusing and concentrating like what move we want to do next. And so we ain't really moving our feet. We just trying to make sure they get the move and don't rock nobody. Please don't rock nobody. And so that count. 5, 6, ballroom up. 5, 6, ballroom up. That's the count. That's what we're trying to keep to. So that's the count. You know, that's bouncing. Hopefully it made that whole thing make sense to you and it was useful. Let us know in the comments. If we need to, we could do it again and slightly differently. But I do want you to understand how to catch the beat when you just hear it and you snap to it. And as you go, you're like 5, 6, ballroom up, and you roll into it, and y'all dance together to the music. Same thing. You can start 5, 6, half turn. Boom, 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 boom. You know, so I'm not musically inclined. They are. They used to play an instrument and all that good stuff. So you could do it too. So if you're like me, like never played an instrument, you ain't really listen to a whole lot of music. So I listen to the news. I only listen to music when I go out dancing. You can do it. You can do it. Trust me. So if you have any questions, if you have a video you would like for us to make, let us know down in the comments.
Yes.
You know, but hopefully it looks smooth to you because we always try to work on the smoothness because it's a ballroom. It's in the name. So we want to be smooth with us when we're out on the floor. So people see you, they're like, "Ooh, that was so smooth. It looks like I was sliding on ice or something like our glass." Like that's the goal, to make it smooth. Now I ain't gonna lie. You put on my song, I'm gonna be bouncing and jamming to it. Because at the end of the day, we ain't getting paid for this. We ain't making no money off of it. Ain't no contest. People don't give out trophies at the end of the party. Not at most of them. So if you want to bounce and jam through it the whole time, I ain't mad at you. Because the main reason we're doing this because we want you to have something to have a good time and have fun with. So have fun with it. But I want to make sure I told you properly. So you're like, no, you're supposed to be smooth with it and not bounce. But if you want to bounce, I ain't mad at you because if my jam comes on, like, yeah, I'm going to bounce to that joint. It just depends on which one it is. But generally speaking, we're going to tell you, try not to bounce. But the main thing is enjoy yourself. That's the video on counting. Like I said, if you want us to do a longer version or a slightly different version, we'll do it again. You know, please let us know in the comments what else you would like to see. And we'll catch you in the next